Good morning, dear students. We'll continue with the last main of the exercise 3.2. Okay, so here draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by this line and the x-axis and the shade the triangular region. Okay, the question seems to be lengthy and different, but actually it is not different. It is a same what we did in the last classes and all. Okay, now what we'll do, so we'll take these two equations and we'll take these two equations and we'll draw the graph for this. So that is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. So call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So for this we'll draw the table and we'll find the solution. In the last problem and all, what we did, we're making y to the one side and remaining other terms to the left hand side. Even we can do it for x also, and if you want you can do for y also, no problem. So I did one sample, that is even for the x also we can do like this. So here what I did, I transpose everything to the right hand side, so only x is remaining here. Why? Because negative is there. If I transpose x to the right hand side, so again negative y will get. Again we need to simplify that y to make, we need to make it positive, so it is lengthy, so it is easier. So only I transpose negative y to the right hand side. Without transposing also you can substitute and you will get the values. Okay, so now what I did, so first I took 0 1 2 3. So here if we take x is equal to 0, then y is equals to 1 will get. So what, how, that is 0 which is equals to y minus 1. So what we're going to get, minus y is equals to minus 1. Minus minus cancel, so y is equals to 1. Okay, so next if we take y is equals to 1, sorry, x is equals to 1, so what we're going to get, y is equals to, so 1 is equals to y minus 1. Transpose it to left hand side, so 1 plus 1 is equals to y, so y is equals to 2. So 1 comma 2. So the next value is, so that is y is equals to what they took, x is equals to 2. If they take x is equal to, so you'll get y is equals to 3. Is it clear? Okay, so next now take the equation 2. So the equation 2, so here 3x is there, so what I did, so transpose negative 12 to the right hand side become positive 12, and positive 2y to the right hand side, so it has become negative 2. So then 12 minus 2y is equals to, so 3x is equals to 12 minus 2y by 3. So x is equals to 12 minus 2y by 3. Now I can give the values of x, any different values you can give. So I gave you 420. If you want you can take 1 2 0 1 2 3 again here also, no problem. If you take that also you'll get the same answer, no changes in the answer. If you want any values you can give, so I want this values, I give this. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to do the draw the table, sorry, graph. So draw the graph, take the graph sheet. Okay, I took here 10 cross 10 graph. Okay, now what we can do, so we can draw first locate the points, 1 2 3 4. Take black color, so I'll take black color here. So here also I'll take, if you want you can divide exactly to the off in your graph book. So I'm not dividing exactly to the off here. So if you want you can divide it to exactly to the off. So why? Because here I have less space, so I am taking uh, more to the positive side. Why? Because only positive values were there. So now look at the point. See what is the maximum point in the x-axis and what is the maximum point in the y-axis. So in the x-axis maximum point is 4 and y-axis maximum point is 6. So I'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and here negative 4, and here also negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll locate the points. We'll locate the points now. So what's the first point? We'll go for the first equation, 0 comma 1. So 0 1, 0 comma 1. So next 1 comma 2. So here 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. So here this is 2 comma 3. Okay, this is a shape. So take the shape and draw a line like this. So you should touch all the 3 points. Okay, so now if you want you can put an arrow mark here, and even you can extend this line also to the down. Okay, so now next and also write that points. Here it is 0 comma 1, and here it is 1 comma 2, and here it is 2 comma 3. Okay, so next what we can do, we can take for the next equation. Okay, first next point is 4 comma 0. X-axis 4, y-axis 0. Here only 4 comma 0. Next is 2 comma 3. X-axis 2, this is 3, 2 comma 3. And next is 0 comma 6. So 0 is here, 6 is here, 0 comma 6. Now what to do? Draw the shapes. Take the shapes and draw the line. It should touch all the 3 points. It should touch all the 3 points. Wait. Yeah, it is touching here. It should touch all the 3 points. So now, so these are the points. So now here what is the coordinate of this point? Here 4 comma 0, and here 0 comma 6, 0 comma 6. Okay, okay, now so for till here it is same as what we did in the previous problems and all. So now a small change here we need to do. What is it? Determine the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by this line and x-axis, and shade the triangle. See here where you can see the triangle. So this is the triangle. So with the telling to shade the triangle, we'll shade a triangle now. We'll take red color only. No, we'll take yellow color. We'll shade now. Is it visible? No, yellow color is not working. Okay, we'll shade now. This is the triangle. This is the triangle we have here. You should not go outside while doing in your classwork. You should not go outside. Okay, it should be only inside. You should stay inside the triangle. Okay, this is a triangular part. Do in a pencil only, no problem, in your classworks. Okay, so after that, what they asked? They asked one more thing. So that is, we need to locate the points also, right? So we need to find the coordinates. So if we give this is A, if we give the name for this, if we take the name for this, we can take this as A, we can take this point as B, and this point as C. So what are the vertices now? So that is A is 2 comma 3, B is 0 comma 1, and C is 4 comma 0. These are the vertices. So these are the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by these lines are minus 1 comma 0. So here minus 1. So minus 1 comma 0. Here minus 1 comma 0 and 4 comma 0 and 3 comma 2 comma 3. So these are the points. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, so now copy this in your classwork and shade that triangular part. Okay, so we'll see the next exercise, next method of solving the pair of linear equation in two variables. So as I told you, so far what we did is a geometrical method or graphical method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we'll move on to the substitution method. Substitution method of solving pair of linear equation in two variables. Substitution method. Okay, so I told you have three more methods. So one is substitution, one is elimination, and one is cross multiplication, and also that is graphical already we studied. And graphical method is very important as a examination point of view, and it's a 100% question. Okay, so now we'll see what is the substitution method, how it works and all. So I'll take one example and we'll explain that. So the name suggests the substitution. So we need to substitute. What we need to substitute, where we need to substitute, we will see now. Okay, now here we have the following steps. We need to follow the three steps to do this problem. So one is, so here I took the example, that is 7 example problem only. This is in a textbook. So and this type of questions are important for 2 marks. So here 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So what we did here? What they did here? They call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, now what they did? We pick either the equation, any of the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, and write one variable in terms of other. So what they did, they took the equation 2 and they took the equation 2 and wrote that x plus 2y is equal to 3 as x is equals to 3y minus 2y. So 3 minus 2y. So what they did, so they wrote this x in terms of y. So now substitute the value of x in equation 1. So we got this x equation from equation 2. So don't substitute this equation, this x value in the equation 2 only. Why? Because this is a product of equation 2. So if we substitute, we'll get the same answer. So don't do that. So then if you got the any x value or y value from any equation, so substitute to the other equation. Suppose if we got x value in the first equation, then substitute to the second equation. If we got from the second equation, substitute to the first equation. So substitute the value of x in the equation 1. So we'll get that. So here x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So here 7 times x. Here 7 times x. So what is that first equation? Equation 1 is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, right? So what they did here? They substitute this in the place of x. They substituted here 3 minus 2y. So if they substitute that and simplify that, we'll get that 7 3s are 21, minus 7 to the 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. So then simplify this. Minus 14 minus 15, this is minus 29, which is equals to, and transpose the right hand side, so you'll get 2 minus 21, that is minus 19. Then minus minus get cancel, so you'll get y is equals to 19 by 29. Okay, so then what we'll do, we got y value we got. So we do the graphical method to find the x and y values, right? But here we got already the y value. Then substitute these values of y in equation 3, either in equation 3 or equation 1 or equation 2. You can substitute anywhere, you'll get the same answer. You need to get, that is compulsory, need to get the same answer. So x is equal to 3 minus 2y. So there what they did, so substitute y value there, so 19 by 29. So what, now if you substitute that, you'll get x value. X is equal to 3 minus 2 into 19 by 29. So simplify this, 3 minus 2 nines are okay, simplify this, 2 nines are what is it, 38 by 29, and afterwards simplify, so you'll get 49 by 29. So therefore the solution of x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. Okay, this is the values we need to get. Okay, and one more step is there, verification. This verification is not necessary all the time, only for your confirmation the verification steps are required. Substitute x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equals to 19 by 29 and verify both the equations 1 and 2 satisfies. Okay, so what to do, so we need to substitute x and y value in the equation 1 and equation 2. So then if the equation 1 and equation 2 in the LHS and RHS is equal, so then your answer is correct. So let's check it once. Okay, okay, I'll take this equation 7. So I'll verify here. So 7 times, what is x value for me? So our x value is 49 by 29 and y value is 19 by 29. So x value is 49 by 29. X value 49 divided by 29 minus 15 into 19 by 29, which is equals to 2. So then simplify, what is 49, 49 into 49 into 7, so multiply that, 49 into 7, so that is 343. So 343 divided by 29 minus, so 15 into 19, 285 divided by 29 is equal to 2. So then 343 minus 285, so that is 58. 58 by 29. Why? Because denominators are same, so you can simplify. So 29 ones are 29 twos are, therefore 2 is equal to 2, hence our answer is correct. Even if you simply verify here also, you'll get the same answer. Okay, I hope all of you understood, and this verification part is not necessary as examination point of view, only these 3 steps are required. Okay, so the verification parts are not important and not necessary. Okay, here I assigned 4 problems for homework. This is homework problems, so try to solve these problems by yourself in your homework book using the substitution method. Okay, so the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Okay, in case if you have any doubts regarding this topic or subject, so please ask me through the message or call. Okay, then okay, so do this, all of you complete this in your homework and copy these things what we did today in your classwork. Okay, so the remaining thing we'll see in the next class, and also mention today's date and day. Don't forget to write date and day. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.